How do I move my taskbar to the left or right, bottom or the top? In this short tutorial we will learn how to do it. So here it is set at the bottom. What I need to do is just to do a right click on it, and there are actually two ways to do it, and I will let you know both the ways so you'll be smart in moving all those things. So here it is lock the taskbar. You just have to unlock it and do a right click again. Make sure it's unchecked, and you can simply place the cursor, hover the cursor on the taskbar and drag it to the right or to the top or to the left or to the bottom again, and then simply lock the taskbar. The second way to move the taskbar is actually my favorite, and you don't have to unlock the taskbar. That's the best part. It's under the taskbar settings. Now here in the taskbar settings you will see lock the taskbar, and here just if you can just scroll it down a little bit in the middle of the page, you will see taskbar location on the screen. So here I just have to select any one which I like. I selected right. The moment I did it, it has changed, and just check that the lock taskbar is already check marked. So this has actually moved the taskbar without unlocking, because I do not prefer to unlock the taskbar. Alright, so this is the very simple way to do it. Hope this helps, and if you think that this video is helpful, please do subscribe my channel. I actually need your support. You have a wonderful day ahead. Take care.